Hi guys, I thought I would check in. It is the morning now, it's the day after. We are just popping into Tesco. I forgot to pick up water and some other odds and ends. We're just driving off, about to go off now. When Matt gets back, yeah, we're just gonna go off on our way. Yeah, I think that's it. I think it's gonna take around an hour and a half maybe to get there. And we think we might be going for 2 nights now, which I'm really excited about. But we will have to sort tea out for tomorrow because I've not packed like a tea or a lunch tomorrow. I think we're going to go out to Worcester tomorrow so we can go out for food, but for tea at the campsite, yeah, I don't know what we're going to be eating there. But as you can see, car's all packed. Bubba's in, he's due a nap, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Come on, Mr. Hot Pink, let's go. Where are we going? Oh. Oh, my foot. Hey! Have we done nothing? Oh. Is that tasty? Is that nice? Yum yum yum. Hello. Are you enjoying your biscuit? Num num num. Say hi, Penny. Is it a bit windy? It's a little bit too windy, isn't it? Say hi. Poof. Oh, what's that? Are you helping Daddy? You're doing a better job, pal.
Is Mummy gonna sleep outside, son? Yeah, she will.
Plonk. Whoa. Thank you. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Hi! Hello!
Here, go.
Right, at last. Are you really going to take your beer? So I guess I'm on carrying duty then. talking? Yeah? What are you saying? Oh. Mama, mama, mama.
Daddy.
Mama, mama, mama,
Daddy on the
mama.
PlayStation.
Are you rolling about? Yeah? Hi guys, good morning. I'm just picking up the camera again now. My phone died last night, so I haven't been able to charge it until just now. Yeah, we've had a nice time. It's been very cold. I think this is the coldest it's ever been for camping, and it's only like the 23rd of August today, I think it is. But today we were going to go into Worcester. Ooh, oh my god, there's so many wasps. I can't handle it. I can't handle all the wasps. Oh my god. But yeah, we're going to go to Ludlow instead of Worcester. We're going to meet up with my mum because she lives about an hour and a half away from Worcester, from Ludlow. And me and Matt haven't been there in a very long time, and it's so, I remember they've got a really nice deli there, from what I can remember. So yeah, we've been up for a while now. I think we woke up at 6:30, it's now around 7:30, and I'm just waiting for the kettle to boil, and I've just taken Dids out of his sleeping bag. He didn't even end up sleeping in this last night. He slept in the bed next to me. Matt's complaining because the double layer bed, it's just not big enough for all three of us because he takes up all the room. So we think we're gonna get another mattress and just spread them out really. Because last night it was so cold, I had to keep him next to me because I was just so worried about it being too chilly for him. Right, I'm gonna go and rescue this dude, and I'll see you in a bit. Hi. What's that whinging for? Look at the state of your coat. Is it full of biscuits? Is it full of biscuits? interesting.